Previously on Pure Programming.
This time I will talk about operators. So I decided to cut it into 5 parts. Let's get to it. Let's discuss comparison operators. So from equal, or all of them are equal, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and not equal to or different from. You can use these operators only with conditional keywords like if, while, and until. Equal is for equality. You're testing if two expressions are equal, have the same value. Less than, okay, greater than, etc. You can write less than or equal to two ways. This with the equal after or with the equal before. It's just as you wish. Same thing for the greater than or equal to. You have two ways. And the inequality, testing if two values are different or not equal, is by using these two brackets here. All comparison operators are binary. You can compare expressions, okay, any expression, and I've given you some examples here. All of them are true. Some of them do not make sense, but they're true. You can compare that. It's equal. -3 is of course less than 56, etc., etc. 3 is not equal to 4. We know that, right? That's for the comparison operators.